Did this CarryX work out as well in real life after using it for 2 weeks? Let's find out. So Matt, I bought you this CarryX to try out and to use because you were complaining that the other bags that you have didn't quite fit your spec as your old bag. What do you think of this bag?
It's a great bag. It's very well organized, holds everything I need. It looks good. It's durable, easy to pack. Everything I'm looking for in a carry-on bag.
Now this is the CarryX duffel bag that was specifically designed to be used as a personal item bag. So now that you've heard my husband's opinions of the bag, let's go over the features of the bag. Now this bag will meet compliance for most of our national and international flights unless it's one of those very restrictive European or Asian airlines, because these bags measurements come in as 17 across, 11.5 to the top, and in width only 8. It is a 27-liter bag, and that's a good amount to hold as a personal item bag. But this bag was also designed to be functional as a personal item bag, and as we go through the features of the bag, you will see why I say it was designed to be a personal item bag. And the designers of this bag took into consideration also price point. They wanted to deliver a quality bag, but they didn't want to kill you with the price. So the bag only costs $119, which after I go through all the features of this bag, you will see is very reasonable, because bags like this actually cost a whole lot more than $119. And that's why I'm showing it to you. Now I want to show you that we've already taken this bag out for a try, and my husband loves this bag. He's now a true believer in CarryX bag. And I have to tell you, I was really surprised that he was that enthusiastic over a bag. It's usually me and not him. So let me go over the features of this bag, and you'll see why I say that this bag is really outstanding. First of all, the bag is made out of 1680 denier polyester, and it is water resistant, so you don't have to worry about the wear and tear on this bag. It's going to really last you. And the bag has YKK zippers, and all the zippers come with toggles. And you know how much I like toggles because it makes for an easy opening and closing. The bag has a handle here on top that is well padded and easy in the hand. And the bag comes with a crossbody strap, which comes with a really nice padded shoulder strap. But there's something really special about this strap. And if you notice, it wasn't in my way. And that's because back here are 2 magnets that keep the strap like that. And it's little details like this that I really found outstanding about the bag, because if I'm holding the bag like this, or I'm using the trolley pass-through, which is right over here, because when I'm not using the shoulder strap, I don't want it dangling all over the place. And this bag provides to keep it out of the way. And I really like that kind of detailing. Now, since we're in the back of the bag, I'll show you that already, that I pointed out before. It has a trolley pass-through, and it has another compartment back here for other stuff. Now that can be either your quick grab items or a place to keep your snacks, whatever you want to put back there. So now let's go over the external pockets of the bag. Here in the front is your first pocket. And when I open it up, you'll see that it's a nice light colored fabric, which makes for easy seeing into this compartment. And the compartment has a nice amount of depth. On the lid of the front compartment, you have 3 pockets here to keep yourself organized. And you also have a big compartment here, a big compartment here, 2 places for pens, and another compartment here to keep paperwork. Also here in the front of the bag is a key leash, which these days almost all the bags come with. So you can actually get a lot of stuff here just using the pockets, but because of the additional depth, you can even get more. It does have a strapping point here for a carabiner. Here on the side is an outstanding pocket, and I'll show you why. It has a pocket here, so you can put your phone in there or anything that you have to use quickly. And when you open it up, is a super deep compartment. And this is really great for maybe your tech bag, your headphones, stuff like that, because of all the volume that it gives you. On the flip side of the bag is a zipper compartment that you can use for a water bottle or anything else, and a built-in carabiner over here. Now, because this bag was designed to get through TSA easily, it has a couple of features that are built right into the exterior of the bag. The first one is that on top here is a waterproof bag that you can use for your toiletries. Now I'm going to open the bag up so I can show you this clearer. See, it's waterproof here, but you access it from the outside of the bag. And I really like that because all you have to do is open it here from the top if you want to use your 311 bag without even unzipping the inside of the bag. And I think that that's a really well thought out pocket. Also here in the back of the bag is where you have your computer compartment, or you could use it for clothing if you don't want to take your computer. But if you are taking your computer, it comes out nice and easy and you're not digging around in the bag. So between the waterproof compartment here and the computer compartment here, I think that that's a really clever design. Now on the inside of the bag, you have this nice light colored fabric, which makes it easy to look inside the bag. Plus there's another compartment here for you to slip in some items that you might want to keep inside your bag and keep your bag more organized. And what I really like about the design of this bag is that everything that I need when I'm going through the airport, when I'm passing through TSA, is all on the outside of the bag, which makes for easy access. I'm not digging around on the inside of the bag. But if I have to dig around on the inside of the bag, it is easy to do because everything is accessible from the top. And if you pack it out just right, you'll have no problems. And it slips under the seat so easily, straight up, not even sideways, which is really great. So now let me show you how my husband packed it out as his personal item bag. And then I'm going to show you how I packed it out for a 7 to 10 day trip in the summer. So here's the CarryX fully packed out as a personal item the way my husband had it set up. Now I'm going to show you exactly what's in this bag and how he lays it out. I would probably do it differently, but this is the way a guy packs. And I'm not implying in any way that this is a guy bag. In this front compartment here, where it was quick and easy for him to get to everything, and by the way, he hasn't unpacked because we have another trip coming up. He has his phone. He has in this pocket our passports. And yes, he's the keeper of the passports. Over here, he keeps his spare set of headphones in case something happens to his other set of headphones. His paperwork, which he keeps here in this big compartment there. 2 pens, his readers, and I don't think he has anything in this back pocket. I'm going to take a look. He does not. On this side of the bag, he has his sunglasses in this nice little compartment here, and his other pair of headphones, which are his sound canceling headphones. And he would use the water bottle compartment. So let's open up the bag and let me show you what he has in here. Now, in the clear compartment here, he does not use it for his toiletries. He has all his spare plastic bags that he likes to keep for laundry or to wrap this bag up if he wants to use it to put his feet on and stuff like that. And over here, he has his Go Next Day pack. And by the way, remember, you get into this compartment through the top here because this is supposed to be used for your toiletries, but that doesn't do that. But he does pack out his bag in a very logical way, which is that he has the tech bag here, and this is his tech bag, and his toiletry bag here, which makes for an easy pass-through at the TSA. And his computer here in the back compartment, which also aids in getting through the TSA if they need to have this out to put into the trays. Now inside the bag, he keeps his raincoat, his pullover for the plane, his spare pair of shoes. At the bottom of the bag, his emergency pack, which consists of his boxer shorts for sleeping, a spare pair of socks. He has another spare pair of socks inside the bag because his feet sweat and he likes to change them after he leaves the plane, pair of underwear, a t-shirt, and a light pair of long pants. And he gets all that into here. And in the side compartment is, as I said before, his spare pair of socks. And as you saw, there was plenty of room in this bag for other stuff. This is all he takes because he's pretty minimal, as most guys are. But now I'm going to show you how I pack out this bag to go away with for a 5 to 7 day trip for us gals. Now I'm interested in learning how many of you like duffel style bags over, say, clam style bags. And if you do, please tell me about why and put it in the comment section down below. And if you happen to have found this video informative or you've liked it in any way, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below because that helps deliver my content to you and to other fellow travelers. So here's the CarryX fully packed out with 7 to 10 days worth of clothing, summer edition, but I'll show you that I actually stretched that a bit to show you how well this bag actually can carry everything, even for a 7 to 10 day trip. Now, let's go over first how I worked out the pockets. In this front pocket here, I put the stuff you would expect in the front pocket, which is, of course, the passports, my sunglasses, 2 pens, my phone, and I didn't put anything into this back pocket since this is a demo. In this side pocket, I put my tech bag, and it fits in there perfectly because it's designed to hold things that are big and bulky, like your headphones or a tech pouch. And that makes it also easy to go through the TSA. Of course, in this back compartment here, I have my computer. And unlike my husband, I actually use the waterproof compartment here on the top as my toiletry bag. And that way, if I have to take this out, it's right here on top. Makes it easier to go through the TSA. Now let's get on to the inside of the bag. I'm gonna hold the bag like this so you can see it clearly. Now first I have my umbrella, which is sitting on top of my clothing packing cube. And that's because I don't need to get to these things unless it's raining outside or I get to the hotel room. Over here on this side, I have my bag that I'm taking on the trip, which doubles as my airline comfort bag. And also I forgot to show you that I am using the water bottle compartment. Now I want to show you that I have my pair of shoes here in that side compartment, and that comes out nice and easy. And then I have my clothing all packed into here. Now I'm going to show you what's inside this packing cube, because I know a lot of you say, I don't know if I could go away with a 6'3" one pack out. And I always say, yes, you can. And so I'm going to show you, I even threw in a couple of extra items. So in here, I have my underwear, bras, socks. Just going to take that out on top. I packed the topper so I could dress up an outfit. I have here 2 pairs of pants and a skirt, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tops and a dress. So I have an extra topper and an extra dress. So I've actually packed extra stuff for the trip, and I got it all into this one packing cube, KonMari method, so I can see exactly what I have in here. And at the very bottom of the bag, because it is a summer pack out, I have my laundry kit. And you shouldn't go anywhere without a laundry kit if you're packing in the summer with a 631 pack out, unless you're only going away for 6 days. Then you're covered. But if you're going away for an extended amount of time, you might want to wash out some of these items. And that's everything I got into this CarryX bag for a 7 to 10 day trip in the summer. And I think that that is a really good pack out, and you would be fine to go away with. And this bag will make compliance as a personal item. The bag, I think this is a really outstanding bag, and especially after we've just traveled with it, I know how well it functions, because it can be a personal item bag. You can pack it out for a 7 to 10 day trip. It just does it all. It's the perfect size. I really do think that the designers of this bag really thought of everything. Now, I know a lot of you are going to be asking me if this bag comes in other colors. Now, this bag only comes in black, but other colors raises the price of bags, and you probably didn't realize it, but it does. And they wanted to keep the price of the bag down. So I reached out to the founder, and he's willing to give an additional $5 off if you use this link in the description area down below and in the first pinned comment. But if this bag doesn't do it for you, check out this video over here, which comes in more colors, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!